Now we have to solve this equation. Have to adding the two matrix. You get it as 7 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2 minus 1 3 minus 5 3 2. Then you have to this x1 x2 x3 have to just multiply get the equation. So here 7. So therefore here directly 7 x1 then here minus 2 x2 then here minus 5 x3 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Similarly here minus 2 x1 then here minus 1 x2 then here plus 3 x3 equal to 0. So here minus 5 x1 then here plus 3 x2 here 2 x3 equal to 0. So this is our equation number 3. We got a 3 equation. In this 3 equation I can solve any 2 equation. So here I can solve 1 and 2. I can solve the equation 1 and 2. So I can leave out the first row. So therefore here x1 by put determinant. So here minus 2 minus 5. Then here minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 I think. So this will be minus x2 divided by 7 minus 5 here. 7 minus 5. So here minus 2 3. Then here what about your x3? Similarly leave out the x3 column. So therefore 7 minus 2. Then here minus 2 minus 1. You have to simplify. You got it the x2 vector. So therefore x1 by you have to simplify this thing. 2 3s are minus 6. Okay. So therefore here minus 6. The next minus 5 1s are 5. So this will be minus 6 minus 5. So here minus x2 divisible by, so here 7 3s are 21. So therefore 21 minus 5 2s are 10. Then here x3 divisible by 7 minus 7. Then here this will be minus 4. So you got the value will be x1 by minus 11. So here minus x2 divided by 11. So this will be x3 by minus 11. This all value divisible by I think minus 11. So this will be get it divided this by minus 11 now. What about your vectors? So here 1 1 1. So this is our x2 vector. The next we should find out the lambda 3. What is the lambda 3? Lambda 3 here 14. Just substitute same thing. So our case would be when lambda 3 equal to 14. So what is the formula I have to find out now for vectors? So is a lambda 3 So therefore here a minus lambda 3 capital I into x3 equal to 0. What is our lambda 3? You know very well. What is about your a? What is a capital X3? So here capital X3 will be small x1, small x2, small x3. So you know very well what is a what is a lambda 3. So what about your I? So I is a unitary matrix. So here lambda 3 we get it 14. I is a unitary matrix. Capital X will be small x1, small x2, small x3 like that. So what is our A? So our A matrix will be given. So here A will be 10 minus 2 minus 5. So here minus 2 2 3. So here minus 5 3. This will be 5. So this is our A. The next minus lambda 3. So whatever lambda 3 will be 14. So this will be I. What is I? I is a unitary matrix. So this, therefore 1 0 0 0 1 0 then 0 0 1. So this is a minus lambda 3I capital X3. What about capital X3 here? Small x1, small x2, small x3 equal to 0 matrix. So we form the equation directly, you know. So this will be 10. So therefore 10 minus 2 minus 5. Here minus 2 2 3. So here minus 5 3 5. So this is our A. can put a plus sign, I can multiply with minus 14. So this will be minus 14, 0, 0. So this is 0, minus 14, so 0, 0, 0, minus 14. You have to simplify, get it the matrix. You have to adding x1, x2, x3. So here put the 0, 0, form the equation. So similarly you have to adding 10 minus 14. What is 10 minus 14 will be, get it the 4. So here 4 minus 4, 10 minus 4 will be minus 4. So therefore minus 4 x1. The next minus 2 plus 0 will be what? Minus 2. So minus 2 x2. Then minus 5. So therefore minus 5 x3 equal to 0. So equation number 1. The next minus 2. So minus 2 plus 0 will be minus 2 x1. 2 minus 14 will be minus 12 x2. Then 3 plus 0 will be plus 3 x3 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. What about the third equation will be minus 5. So therefore minus 5 x1. Then so 3 plus 0 will be what? 3. So therefore this will be 3 x2 here. 5 minus 14 will be minus 9 x3. So this is our third equation. Similarly we find out the three equations. We have to simplify 1 and 2 according to the capital X3 vectors.